Global Tech, Emily speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, this is Michael from Prime Corp. May I speak to John, please?
Sorry, John's not available right now. He's in a meeting at the moment. Can I take a message?
Yes, please. I'm calling about the meeting tomorrow.
Could you please repeat your name?
Sure, it's Michael.
Thank you, Michael. I'll tell him you called. Can you spell your last name for me, please?
Of course, it's Fox. Fox.
Got it. And could you hold for a moment, please? I'll check if he can return your call later today. Thank you for holding. He'll call back around 3 p.m. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you for your help.
No problem at all. It was nice talking to you, Michael.
Likewise, Emily. Goodbye.
Follow for more.